guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm feeling a little bit better now. I wanted to film this video because I was very inspired to do a look using this Wet n Wild palette. And this one is called Rosé in the Air. I had to purchase this off of Amazon because it was no longer available at Ulta or Ulta.com, at least the last time that I checked. Anyway, I had recently gotten rid of my Modern Renaissance palette from ABH because it finally got hard pan. I've had it forever. And I found this. And I don't know, but you might see some similarities. Would I say it is a downright dupe? No. But these colors are so creamy. You do get fallout in the pan. I will say that. You do get fallout, but I'm one of the people that don't really care about fallout unless when I tap my brush in, like, I hit pan immediately kind of thing. So there is fallout, but it's not to the point where it bothers me, and the colors are very, very pigmented. So I use them to create this Modern Renaissance type look. And you guys know I haven't really been sleeping very well, so sorry if my bags are in full effect. The foundation I used today is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Light because I was going more for a matte look. I didn't include my complexion in this video because I realize I've been doing complexion non-stop, so this is just going to be the eye look. And if you are curious what is on my lips, I'm using the Rimmel London liner in Cafe au Lait. And then I have on the Maybelline Spice For Me lipstick. This is not a matte lipstick. This is just a regular one. So it's a nice warm nude. And then in the center, I have this Maybelline matte lipstick in Clay Crush. I love Maybelline lipsticks. They're so good. Anyway, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
To begin, I'm going to use the lighter of the transition colors and apply it to my upper crease. Now, you're not going to be able to see this on my skin tone because it is so light, but I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of this look toward the end. Now, to start on my outer corner, I'm going in with this reddish, brownish orange shade, and I'm going to be placing a majority of the pigment on my outer corner to give this look some shape, and then I'm going to bring it up into my crease. And then I'm going to go in with the same fluffy brush that I used to apply the transition color and blend out that reddish orangish brown color. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it is very similar to a shade in the Modern Renaissance palette. I would like to equate it to red ochre, I'm thinking. It's kind of like a reddish orangish brown. That's the only way I can describe it. Anyway, I'm just reapplying that on my outer corner to keep that part of my eye really pigmented, and then using that brush again to blend it up into my crease. And then I'm going in with the more orangey shade and using it to blend out the reddish shade up into my upper crease. And then you're going to see me once again going in with that more fluffy brush to blend out the edges. I'm just trying to get a nice gradient effect like I do with all of my looks. So I'm starting off with that reddish brownish color like I said, and then using the orangish color to blend out the edges, and then finally using that transition shade that I used at the beginning to blend out all of the edges around this look. And then on my eye, I'm going to be using my finger to apply that goldish shade, and then I'm going to be using a flat brush to carve out my crease just a little bit more so it has some more definition. And I'm using that reddish brown shade that I used in my outer corner to do that. Now, I love this Wet n Wild palette. I'm pretty sure I paid less than $8 for it. I'll leave the Amazon link down below in the description box, but can I please tell you, these drugstore brands are coming for these luxury brands' necks. I remember a few years ago, no one was checking for Wet n Wild, no one was checking for e.l.f., but now they're the brands that everyone is talking about having these bomb-ass products that are super cheap. This palette, for example, is a great alternative to spending $42 on the Modern Renaissance. You can spend $6 on this and still have really great blendable shades. Now, are they going to be as pigmented as the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette? No, but for the price, they're still pretty bomb. The proof is in the pudding. You guys have been watching me do this look, and they're pretty awesome. No regrets buying this palette. So this is the final look, and I love how it turned out. So I'll probably be doing a few more looks using this palette because it is so versatile. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of those videos. And a list of the items I use will be listed down below in the description box.
Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Share this video because sharing is caring, and don't forget before you leave to click on one of these videos right here. I'll leave them on the little end trailer. Support your girl, okay? I hope to see you in the next one.